Hi everyone and welcome to another Qigong video. In this video, I'm going to show you what exercises I do when I feel tired, my body feels tense, and I only have 10 minutes to refresh and recharge. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your shoulders down, soften your knees and relax your hips. The first exercise helps to warm up the body and enhance breathing. So we're going to inhale, raise the hands up. Then turn so the palms facing back. Then from here, exhale as you go down. Then open the chest, raise up, nice big inhale. Exhale, soften, relax forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Go up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. From here, we're going to swing the hands, then turn, cross at the front. Inhale as we raise up. Exhale, open the chest, relax the shoulders, bend the knees, go down. Inhale. Like a big fountain, raise up and then soften down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Nice flowing movement, using your breath to create flow. Inhale, push your feet, lift up. Exhale, sink back down. And exhale, relax your hand by the side. Relax your whole body. Next, interlace your fingers. We're going to open the front. So turn and press out. Lifting the shoulders, open the chest, look up. Then relax your neck first, bend the elbows, come up on your toes and raise up. Lifting through the spine, lengthening upwards. Then soften and relax all the way down. Go up. Your hands turn, your neck turns, look up. Relax the neck, release the shoulders and raise up. Go as high as you can so your whole body is reaching up. And then soften, relax and come down. One more time, go up. Relax the head and press up. Lengthen through the spine. And release. And relax down. Relax the neck and shoulders. Open your chest. Soften your hips. Notice how you feel. The next movement, we're going to inhale through the side. Open the chest, fill up the lungs. Exhale in the center. Turn the palms, place them on the lower back and push forward. Just enough for you to feel the squeeze, but not any discomfort or pain. Then release, lean forward. Go as low as you can. Feel free to stop on your knees or your shins. And then keeping your back flat, lengthen through the spine. Then place the hand on the front of the chins and slowly raise up. Again, keeping the back nice and flat. Relax and soften. Inhale. Exhale in the center. Inhale, swipe. Exhale, push forward. Inhale, raise. Exhale all the way down. Inhale. And exhale, soften the whole body. Inhale up, one more time. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, raise, lengthen through the spine and the lower back. And slowly raise up. Exhale, finish. Very good. Relax the hands by the side. And to finish, I like to loosen up a little bit. Just shake it off. Just bounce a few times off the ground. Relax. Soften your knees. Massage the soles of the feet. Loosen up the shoulders. And release that tension. Very good. Take a nice big inhale. And an easy long exhale. Very good. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel refreshed and recharged. So let me know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.